All right, guys, so let me see if I can help you out here. If you're trying to access files across your local area network, be it either through an Ethernet cable or wirelessly, and you've gone ahead and made all the adjustments to the both systems, that being the server and the client, the computer you're sharing from and the computer you're sharing to, you've made those changes, and all you get every time you want to access one of the files is this enter network credentials window. And no matter what you do, try to create credentials, try to do everything, you can't get past it. Well, I've got the solution for you guys. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you what worked for me. Okay? But let's back up. Make sure you got your computer set up properly. I'm going to go through this real quick. There's a ton of YouTube videos out there that'll walk you through this whole process. I'm going to run through it real quick just to make sure the basis is there. So what you want to do is first you're going to go in. You've already gone into your settings tab. Clicked on it. It may be their Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You click on it, and you make sure that private network is selected, not public. Default is the public. Private. If the public is selected, it puts a whole lot of blocks in place and you won't get there. So make sure it says private. Okay? Next, you're going to go over to Control Panel. When you open the Control Panel, you're going to want to go to Network Sharing. Make sure it says Private Network. Go to Advanced Settings. And there are 3 profiles here. Don't touch the public. You just top one, private. Make sure everything is on, and set up here. And then come down to All Networks. Make sure that password protected sharing is off. Not on like that. You want it off. That's very important. Once you do that, then you're going to go into your File Explorer, go to a file that you want to share, and you're going to come down. You're going to click More Options, Properties, and you're going to adjust the sharing properties here. Make sure you're sharing this folder, okay? Now, when all that's done and you go back, you're going to see this window. And in here, where it says username, just type in guest. That's all you have to do. No password. Click remember my credentials and hit OK. And it'll work. I can't actually show you this window live because I've already done it, but I'll show you what happens when you do it. You're going to come in here, and my other computer is called Pal Boy. I can come in here and see these folders are all green on the bottom. This is working. Click on any of these. I can see whatever's on the desktop on the other computer. Anything, documents, any of this stuff. So that's all you really need to do is put in guest at this prompt, remember credentials, and hit OK. That'll solve your problem. Hope that works for you guys. Please do me a favor. I spent weeks and weeks finding out the solution that worked for me. Please do me a favor and give me a like and subscribe. It would really help me out. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.